In this video, I will show you how to log in to Hulu. To do this, just open up Hulu wherever you want to log in. It can be on your phone through the app, or it can be on a laptop on the website or PC, but it can also be on TV. Just go to Hulu, and if it's your first time opening the app or website, you will have a section that says login. So simply go to add login. And for example, if you're on TV, you may have multiple options. You could, for example, scan a QR code, but the easiest way, in my opinion, that works across all devices is to just enter your account email, then click continue, and then enter your account password, and then click on login. From there, they then may send you a 6-digit code to your email address. So simply open up your email address and enter the 6-digit code right here, and then click continue. And after you do that, you will then be signed in, and if you haven't yet started your subscription, you will then just need to start it if you want to. But if you have already got a subscription, you will then be redirected to Hulu. So now you know how to log in to Hulu. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.